Yan, kita nyo ba? Mobile. Ito yung gagamitin natin. So, sasaksak lang natin siya dito. And, kakabit natin dito sa side. Kita ba siya? Kung lalakasan pa natin yung air pump natin. So ito yung isang klase ng airlift din. Yan. So basically yung hangin na dumadaan dito sa baba, yung hangin na dumadaan dito, may kasama na siyang tubig kapag lumabas sa kabila.
Hello world! The first airlift pump was invented by the German engineer Karl Emanuel Löscher, who lived in the second half of the 18th century. He discovered the airlift pump in 1797. The standard airlift pumps compressed air into the bottom of the discharge pipe. Large bubbles transport the air-water mixture to the outlet. The goal is to produce small bubbles. It is quieter and more efficient. To build a Czech airlift, you need plastic pipes, pipe fittings, 2 sealing rings, an aquarium elbow, glue, sandpaper, a small saw and a drill. For a commercial aquarium, I use risers having a length of about 20 centimeters. The performance of the airlift is determined by the length of the riser pipe. More power means more water per hour is circulating. Czech airlift work with a very simple principle. Between 2 tubes, an air pressure is built up. The air can escape only through small holes. This creates a suction effect. The water is transported into the pipe to the filter outlet. The finer the bubbles, and thus also the bores, the smoother and finer is the air-water mixture. This variant is suitable for medium-sized tanks up to 350 liters. For the filter output, a 10 cm piece of plastic tube beveled at an angle of about 60 degrees. Two centimeters from the bottom I drill holes. 2 rows with a maximum diameter of 1 millimeter. Larger holes make the airlift louder and decrease performance. Smaller holes clog quickly. 20-25 holes in a row. Connect the prepared tube to the filter output. In the 25mm plastic pipe, a hole of 5mm is now bored. The elbow connector is inserted and glued with Tangite. After drying, the first sealing ring is placed on the riser pipe. The plastic tube is pushed over the sealing ring and that's so far upwards until you see the holes in the riser. Now the second seal ring is disposed. Between our sealing rings is formed our pressure chamber. Now the airlift is ready and can be used. Thank you for watching.